we're going to work with our vowels. So we're going to use our smart board and do some, we're going to sing a song. An A, E, I, O, U song. Okay? Now I'm going to get ready. Let me turn on the smart board. So now guys, I am going to connect the computer, and what you're going to see, Dylan, what you're going to see on the board is what I will show you from my computer. Ready?
Start, Joe.
My boys and girls, now we're going to put together those sounds. We are ready now to put together those sounds to make a word. And we're going to use the E sound to put together those words.
N. Hen.
Yeah!
Good.
All right. I wonder what this one is going to be. Let's have Kylie. All right.
Men.
All right. Dylan. Listen to the sound.
N.
Good job.
Groovy. You know. Hen. Men. Hen. 10. With.
I like the way. Dylan. Good job. Listen. Listen.
Net. Pet. Wet.
Very good.
Once on a weather show, I saw that we shouldn't, on bad weather, we shouldn't use technology. No, it's going away. It's going away from me.
Let's stay in
She was touching a stapler. Now can I wash my hands for a second now? I'm not doing stapler.
What's another word? That's hen. What's another another word that you remember. What are the words that we did on the board with the N sound or et sound? Okay, so then it's